Adding a progress bar animation to your video can provide a nice dynamic and visual appeal to help you stand out on social media, and it's really simple to add within Zubtitle. Simply head over to the right-hand toolbar and click on the progress bar pane. And all you have to do is click on the add progress bar to add it below. Now, of course, you can customize the style of your progress bar as well by changing the colors. So let's do that right now. Let's maybe go with this nice green right here. And for the background color, maybe we'll go with a more subtle green right here. Now, one more thing you can do is actually resize and place your progress bar anywhere you want to. Of course, you can use the controls right here, but also by clicking right on the video, you can expand it like so and drag it around. We're actually going to place it right here at the bottom towards the bottom of the video frame. And I think I actually want to make one more adjustment to the colors here. We're actually going to click on this background color and make it slightly transparent. We can adjust it here like so. We can make it fully transparent if we want to, but I think we'll do somewhere in the middle around 50%. And we can preview our progress bar like so. Now, the great thing is once you get the placement and colors of your progress bar just right, you can actually save it to your own custom template that you can reuse again and again. Click on the video here on screen to learn more about our custom style templates. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe below so you don't miss more tips in the future. Until next time, keep creating.